Okay, we're at Fluffy's on this cloudy morning. It's also kind of cold. We had rain yesterday evenings. Ground is damp. A water dish has been dumped, rinsed out, and refilled. A dry food dish had a handful of dry food put into it. She's had her chewable flea and tick treatment. She's working on the cat treats before she joins Joe.
We're at Fluffy's feeding area and looking east. There's our 5 male turkeys. That we're quite sure is the one that was injured and hanging out at the park for those couple of days. I'm going to relocate because of this tree in the way. Yeah, he seems to still be asserting his dominance. And they're heading north, so we won't see them at the park.
We're at the Lutheran church. Polly is here. There we go. She's headed to the church's side walkway, and that's where Polly's headed towards. She will wait while Jay gets the food put down for her. As Jay stood up, she was on the move. And she's busy eating her breakfast. Okay, Collie, we'll see you the next time. At the back area of Alviso Adobe Park, we have Cece sitting on the embankment next to the low rock wall, waiting for breakfast. CC enjoying his breakfast. Spotted ToeBe coming for his. We have a golden crown and a song sparrow. And the spotted coming back for more. CC's finished his breakfast. Jay has put more cat treats, but down on the ground, not up on the rock wall. Let's see if he decides to go for them. He's aware they're there. Here we go. Yes, he will.
Yeah, have some type of predatory bird high up on the hillside. See, there's the gazebo. Tail's quite long, so in proportion to its body, so it's not a red-tailed hawk. Unusual behavior. Just sitting out in the open like that. Kind of hard to tell with the lighting what type of bird this is.
Back at the Lutheran church, Collie's still here. Jay's just put some cat treats down on this ground cover here. I don't know if she'll come up for it or not because it's near the sidewalk. Anyway, we get to see her twice in one day. And we're going to head on our way. Okay, Callie, good to see you. See you the next time. And Fluffy's making her way back to her area from Rebecca's. Yeah. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. We're at the ground cover area waiting for Jay to show up. He stopped to talk to somebody. There we go, cat treats, and Jay's gonna go put the rest of the dry food into her dry food dish.